Adhering when it's hot. So today, for the first time ever, there's going to be a red weather warning because it's going to be so hot and very similar, if not hotter, tomorrow. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we adhere to what we're setting out to do as a member of Rise in such a situation. And over the next 4 days, a few different situations. And a lot of the messages are going to be very similar. I'm going to try and put specifics to that particular instance in place. And the fundamental thing to remember across all these things is to challenge that black or white dichotomous thinking, all or nothing approach, where when something can't be perfect, to essentially go to the opposite end of the spectrum. If we can't get in the number of workouts we think we should be doing in a week, if we can't eat the way we think we should be doing in a week, then we do no workouts and we just go back to old eating habits. We eat even more because we've decided to write off the day, the week, the weekend, the month, whatever it may be. And success comes not from when we can make perfect progress, but when we're okay with and at peace with making knowingly suboptimal progress. Doing something less than perfect, but doing it will always add up to doing something for a while and stopping, then doing something for a while, and so on. And today, in the heat, realistically, if we do any exercise, it's going to be a relatively low intensity. It's going to be just too hot to do anything. If you don't do any exercise today, that's fine. Maybe have a stretch, but if you don't do anything, that's fine. It's a very unusual situation. You're eating today, probably not going to be absolutely perfect. You might have a few extra ice creams, but again, it doesn't have to go all the way opposite direction. We don't have to decide because it's so hot, we need to have 2,000 calories more than we need. We could keep it in maintenance or just go 500 over because we know we can average that out elsewhere. So yeah, I get it's hot. I get that we're either not going to exercise the next couple of days or we're going to do it at a relatively low intensity. Unfortunately, sweating loads doesn't actually make fat cry, as a lot of fit pros will tell you that it does. It just loses your retained water, which you'll just regain next time you drink it. So we're not going to get optimal levels of exercise in, probably not going to eat optimally, but let's make it reasonable instead.